how to reset accessibility settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. So scroll down and you will see General Management is here. So click on General Management. Now here, so scroll down and click on Reset. So if you want to reset accessibility settings, so scroll down and you will see Reset Accessibility Settings is here. So click on Reset Accessibility Settings. So if you want to reset, so click on Reset Setting. So after click on Reset Setting, you will see accessibility is reset. So it's just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can reset accessibility settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.